Immigrants have helped build America from the ground up. To be honest, even its most famous landmark came from overseas. Welcome to the Museum of Artifacts that made America, and the story of the Statue of Liberty. Famous worldwide as a symbol of freedom and democracy, the Statue of Liberty has been welcoming immigrants and visitors to New York Harbor since 1886. It depicts Libertas, the Greek goddess of liberty, holding a torch to light the way for those in need, a tablet featuring the date of the Declaration of Independence, and at her feet, a broken shackle representing the abolition of slavery. Standing proud at just over 305 feet, the Statue of Liberty is the tallest statue on mainland America. Every year, 3.5 million people take the ferry to Liberty Island for a closer look. It's an all-American icon, right up there with baseball and apple pie. But it was actually a gift from one great democracy to another. To celebrate America's 100th birthday, France offered to build a monumental statue. America agreed to construct the base. But things didn't quite go according to plan. The statue was designed by Frenchmen Frédéric Auguste Bartholdi and Gustave Eiffel. Recognize his name? It was an expensive project, and both countries had to think outside the box to pay their mounting bills. As a result, the statue arrived in New York 10 years late, and when it got there, let's just say it took a while to assemble. It was like the biggest piece of flat-pack furniture in history. The Statue of Liberty has changed a little since then. After 30 years, its copper cladding turned from red to green as a result of exposure to wind and rain. And today, the statue is fitted with cameras, broadcasting live streams from its torch and crown. But some things have stayed the same. It's still the largest conductor in New York, getting hit by lightning many times every year. That's why we think the Statue of Liberty is a big draw at the Museum of Artifacts that made America.